Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 1000. This leader bike, sport touring, is only $94.99, just 7,875 miles. It's got some really cool yellow accents. Beautiful condition on this Ninja 1000. It's a powerful bike. Come on by, make your sport bike dreams come true for just $94.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.